this thing with the iPhone, because my iPhone5s is not working. And there's this thing with if you use a hair dryer, it will work. So I'm just gonna get a hair dryer ready, because this is my iPhone5s that is not working. So I'm gonna, gotta open the camera. That thing's in the way, so I'm gonna get the thing up. So yeah, hair dryer. Okay. Unplug this thing. So this is the hair dryer I'm using. It's my mom's because I don't have one. So 0 and 0. And plug in. Okay, I will be back with this. Okay, we are back. And I got the hair dryer to work now, so I'm just gonna set up my camera. Okay. Is it zoomed in? Okay, there we go. So all you have to do is just put it on medium, I'm pretty sure, or 0. Put the heat on 0. See if it's stuck on this. You put it, and I tried charging it. So what you're gonna do is basically just like hold it like this. So 0. And do like that for a bit. Let's test. I'm still like that. I just saw these. I'm testing out the So yeah, I'm pretty sure this method won't work. Yep. So I hope you like this video. This method does not work, at least for my phone. So yeah, bye. This method don't work. It's trash.
Twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.